everybody. My name's Larry. I'm from San Diego, and your mom told me that you're quite an avid skateboarder and all that, and you're just getting into it. And so I mentioned that I grew up with Tony Hawk's brother, and in fact, he and I were real good friends, and started surfing together when we were boys. And I assure you, having known Tony since he was very young, like since he was born, in fact, that you can get there too, man. So I just want you to know that. Just keep getting after it and have a bunch of fun with it, and you just never know what might happen, all right? Enjoy, man.